Hey everyone, welcome to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. How are you guys doing? I've got four, 4 months worth of Bulu boxes to go through. I'm very sorry that my face is not on here, but this is the best I can do right now. I have an upper respiratory infection and I have coughed so hard that I have burst blood vessels in my eyes. So I have red, bloody looking eyes and it looks sad. But I'm fine. Okay, so this is, I believe, October's Bulu Box. If you don't know about Bulu Box, I'll link the information down below. It's a monthly subscription box. I have the original box. They also do a weight loss box. So this is October's box. And I pay $5 a month because a long time ago I had a coupon that allowed me to get a $5 for life price. They don't have that now. They have a $7.99 code, I think. So I'll link that down below too. These are just the cheese, crunchy mini, toasted cheese, white cheddar, little snacks. I love getting snacks in here. I love the healthy part of the snacks, so that's cool. I've got some green supreme food to mix into my drink, so that's not as cool, but okay. I have some, what is this? Vanilla flavored almond butter. Ooh, and that's what's in there. 18 almonds, a half a date, no BS. We have an RX bar. It's chocolate sea salt. I love these kinds of, so this is the RX nut butter and the RX protein bar. I love those. And then the last thing in here is toothpaste. This is a little sample of some winter mint toothpaste. So that was my October box. I don't know the value of that, but I'm okay with the $5 value because I got, I imagine that these alone are probably worth $5. So if I had paid $10, I don't think I would have liked October's box. So let's get into November's. Let's do this really quickly. Okay, so they always just put a little thing in here. If you want to find out more about your samples, you have to go to their website. Okay, looks like November's box is pretty full, and I don't know what we're celebrating in November, but that's pretty cool. We've got some things in here. Okay, so this is Vitalmax Stress Remedy. Calm, relax, relieve. Better body for life. Omega-3, L-theanine. It says CBD. So this is is this the CBD oil stuff? I'm not sure. Here's a coupon code if you guys are interested. I hope the everything on here is okay, that you can see everything. Okay, we have some dietary supplement for really? For women. I guess this is what you're supposed to take when you're on your period? I don't know. Well, there you go. Interesting. We have some more superfood, or some more from Supreme Food. That's an antioxidant blend. We have a sample of some whipped toothpaste. Yay, watermelon flavor. Isn't that interesting, you guys? Some Dude wipes. These are really cool. These are just flushable butt wipes for men. Here is some, this would have been nice. Wish I'd have jumped in here just a week or two ago. These are some cough suppressants. I'm going to be sucking on these tonight. You better believe it. So this is menthol cough suppressant, 30 lozenges. That's pretty good. And is there anything? Well, these are just, I don't know what those are. Coupon there. And this is a Gold Bar, milk, cashews, pecans, dates, and sea salt. This is a maple sea salt. So again, this 12 grams of protein. I love getting snacks in here because I like the healthy ones. So this was pretty good. We got quite a bit in here. Great time of year. Should have checked into that. Opened up my November box sooner. So that was my November box. So here is the December box. This is just curious because you want to know what you get in these boxes. And sometimes they're pretty cool and sometimes they're not so cool. So the first thing in here is another protein bar. This is a vanilla almond with 18 grams Atlas bar. I've never heard of the Atlas bar, but that doesn't really mean anything, now does it? So I've got some chewable little gummies here for some probiotics and prebiotic. So good gut health there. I've got, what is this? This is a powder spinach, red spinach extract. This is lemon iced tea. So I guess you just pour this in some water. Yeah, 1 pouch in some water for calcium and potassium, I guess, for a workout. Okay, this is, these are little pills. These are pills, and it says Cordyceps Performance Booster. What is this? Energy. Oh, so this is energy. Some energy sticks here. It looks like these you just pop and pour. So peel and stir or pop and pour. That's neat. We've got some orange flavor and original flavor for some energy. And then we have this really cool looking sesame and pumpkin seed snack. Share, tag, receive snacks. 5 pieces. Oh, these are all broken up in here, but that's okay. I love pumpkin seeds, so that's pretty neat. And then some random coupons that don't mean anything. So not a fabulous box for December, but still not a bad box. October was not very cool. And then here's the last one. This is January's box. And we have, okay, we've got lots of stuff in here for January, it looks like. What do we got? Let's see here. Some laundry detergent. That's cool. Unscented active wash. Why does it make it defunkify? That's cute. Cool. So this is one packet for 1 load. That's great. We've got another protein bar. So I really like that. Peanut butter chocolate chip. This is a macro bar. So this is one of those that's got some good fat in there. You know, that's pretty neat because a lot of people are on those macro diets now. I've gotten some sort of a snack in every box, so that's really good. I like that. Here's some of these. I always get a kick out of this because it says lovely, but I wonder if it means lovely, you know, like lovely, but it's a dark chocolate and it's got flavanol in it. I'll eat those for sure because it's chocolate, and who doesn't love chocolate? So here we've got some more probiotic supplements. Helps with your digestive strength. There's 20 capsules in here. So there's everything that it does. Immune system, helps break down carbohydrates and sugars that are undigested. So good to have some probiotics in your diet if you don't do that already. Here's some pain relief. This looks like a full size Arnimax. They send a lot of these joint and muscle pain relief stuff in here quite frequently. So I never have to buy any because they send them in here pretty frequently. Now these are Tagavo. What is this? Contains 50 milligrams of caffeine. Blurs the lines between a sports drink and an energy. So there you go. Electrolytes, vitamins, and caffeine. And then we've just got information on random things in here. And that's it. So not a bad box. And you know, these, I don't do this stuff. These I don't do at all. But with the full size of that, the snack bar and the probiotics, I'm good with that. So there we go. There is all 4 boxes of my Bulu boxes. Thank you so much for putting up with me while I am not on here, but I do appreciate you hanging out. I promise I'll get back on here soon. You all take care. Come back and see me again. Mwah! Bye.